So I'm out here at the Westwood Nature Center, and there's a lot of cute little like fairy houses, gnome houses along the trail, and little story markers. I'm not quite sure what they are. We'll have to go back at the beginning of the trail and see if there is information, but it's adorable. Like little treasures to find along the path. So I came out here early when they first opened, which was about 8 o'clock, because it's been really hot and humid today, or this week, and it's already humid. As you can see, the bugs around. I did spray on. Trying to figure which way I want to go. This way. I put bug spray on, and I'm using a new gimbal, trying to figure that out. So hopefully I can stay in frame. But yeah, just enjoying a park. Got my knee injections yesterday, so trying to take it easy. So excuse the huffing and puffing. A little bit of incline. But hopefully you're enjoying this walk. Got a nice little pavilion here. Hopefully you can hear me over the waterfall, but it's just so lovely to sit here. I love the sound of water. I got my water with me, so I'm going to take a little break off my knees and drink some water. Just listen to this beautiful, beautiful sound of the rushing water. Gorgeous little waterfall behind me. I don't know. Yep, there it is. And take a little break and enjoy this gorgeous scenery around me. There's a great little park. There are, like I showed you, the nature center. There's two picnic pavilions. I think there is a apiary here. I might go check that out. It's a few little, like, I think there's another little nature center, a frog pond. It's a great little park, and it's free. So if you're in the Minneapolis area, Westwood Nature Center, little gem. Who knew? place for me to be considering I'm allergic to bees. I haven't even been here long. Oh gosh, yeah. Wow. Holy crap, look at that. That is amazing. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to make noise. And y'all are doing the very, very important work that you do. Wow, that is completely amazing.
Oh, it's where they have the bees are out there.
Bees? Oh, the bee houses. Oh, they are. Oh, I know why they put it here. There's no way. It's too close. Oh, look, the bees.
You can see if you lift these, you can see them under here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Look at that.
Well, that definitely was fun and relaxing and educational, and I had a good time. It's nice to get out and walk, and my knees felt a lot better after getting the cortisone shot, so hopefully it lasts for a while. Yeah, definitely the Westwood Park Nature Center here, and I believe this is technically St. Louis Park, Minnesota, and near the Twin Cities, near Minneapolis. If you are in the area, definitely worth a check out, because yeah, it's free. It's got nice hiking trails. Most of them are paved or a boardwalk. I think there are some that are gravel as well, but it's a pretty easy walk. Some little inclines up and down, but other than that, it's a pretty easy walk. It's a great place to bring your kids if you have kids. There's a playground, you know, the nature center and all of that, some interactive things for kids to do. And or if you're an adult and just, I saw some people jogging along the paths, you know, just taking a nice little walk. The paths are pretty much covered, tree covered, so it was nice and cool in there, even though it's pretty warm out today. It's 89 degrees currently. It's pretty humid today. It's been humid all week, but it was nice and cool under the tree cover, and lots of nice wild flowers to look at. Probably changes throughout the season, so it's you know, currently summer. I'd like to come back here in the fall, see how it looks in the spring. I'm sure the flowers are different. Just a nice little area, so definitely put this on my list to visit more often, because it's not that far from any point within the Minneapolis area. Definitely worth a check. So I am going to run some errands, and don't know what else I'm going to get up to today, but I'll definitely take you all along if I do anything interesting. So thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed this nice this nature walk, and I will see you all in my next video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment, let me know what your favorite thing was along the nature walk, and I will see you all in my next video.